Running into issues with your TV? Try resetting it. This will restore the TV to its factory default settings. Press Home on your remote to open Smart Hub. Next, press the left directional button, scroll down to and select Settings, and then scroll over to All Settings and select it. From here, select General and Privacy, and then Reset. Enter your PIN. If you haven't created one, just enter in the default PIN. Then select Reset once more to proceed. Keep in mind that this will delete settings like account information, picture settings, downloaded apps, and Smart Hub.